Well, it's a record 29.2 inches of snowfall in Baltimore, making this the biggest snowstorm in the city's history. And take a look at the impact. You can see that cars here on the side of the road are buried with snow. Just to give you an idea of how deep this snow is, take a look right here. It almost goes all the way up to my knees. With the snow falling at a rate of about 1 inch per hour, it didn't take long for things to get nasty. The city of Baltimore is under a phase 2 emergency snow plan. That means the only folks who should be out on the roads right now are people with snow tires or chains and emergency personnel. With more than 2 feet of snow, the question now is, what do you do with all this stuff?